Day in the life of a homeschooling and a small business owner mom. So sa umaga, ito talaga ang aming habit. Nag-homeschool kami ng mga bata. Si Rainwin is mastering the letters, kaya merong pa-games doon sa ating box. Si Kuya naman, iba ang nag-aaralan niya, kaya ngayon nagbabasa na kami. I practice him reading a book sa harap every day to practice his public speaking skills. And ayan, para mas maging confident siyang bata. Napakagaling niya na talagang magbasa. Promise mga guys. So, ayan. Sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Ito naman si Rain, preschool pa siya kaya more on pre-writing activities. And ang reward nila by the end of our session is always artwork. Yan. Ito pa lang daily routine namin. Meron kaming all about today when we do our circle time. Meron kaming pa-charts. Itong Ferris wheel charts and yung letter charts. And si Rain gusto niya rin gawin yung artwork